Dogs bark. Cats meow. Cows moo. Pigs oink. Birds chirp. Ducks quack. Snakes hiss. Bees buzz. Lions roar. Dads snore.
We have scales. We have feathers. We have shells. We have spines. We have armor. We have fur. We have hair. We just have skin. The camel can walk. The horse can run. The snake can slither. The rabbit can hop. The polar bear can swim. The bird can fly. The bug can crawl. How can these animals move?
The pet rats eat. The pet rats drink. The pet rats chew. The pet rats climb. The pet rats hide. The pet rats run. The pet rats sleep. Rats are fun class pets.
You can go over. You can go under. You can go around. You can go through. You can go forward. You can go backward. You can go across. I can go with you.